Let me get. Okay. So what do you think of Athens Swing Scene?
I think it's real cool. It's a lot of fun, but need more people to come out to the shows and stuff.
Well, what do you think of the people that do come out to the shows?
They just go to have fun. It's great. You meet a lot of people and you get to hear a lot of good music and dress up for it. Just dance a lot. It's a lot of fun. But it'd be cooler if like a lot more people came out.
So, who are some of your favorite bands or DJs in town?
Daddis Productions, of course, do a good job of DJing. A lot of good bands. 7 Foot Politics are always fun to go see. You swing to them. Rocket 350, Frantic Fly Tops when they come. A bunch of good bands come through this town, so a lot of people don't go out and see them.
So what do you think about the attitude of these kids that come out to see these swing bands and stuff, the swing scene in Athens?
Oh, I'm just having fun. Just coming out and have a good time, hear some music, dance with a few girls or a few guys.
So who's playing tonight?
6 Shades Blue.
Hey, ladies, introduce yourselves.
I'm Holly Moore. I'm Christy Matheson. I'm Marcy Matheson.
So what do you guys think of the Athens Swing Scene?
We love it. It's awesome. This is my first night. I've heard lots of good things about it. Ditto!
So have you guys gone to any of the swing nights they have around town?
We've been to 6 Shades before.
6 Shades?
Yes.
Okay, is that who you're seeing tonight?
Yes.
All right. So what do you think about the people, like just the average Joes that are in the scene?
It's cool. It's fun. I've heard good things.
Good. Let me get focused. No, she's a performer. She knows what's up. Okay, introduce yourselves.
I'm Amanda. I'm Dari.
So what do you guys think of the Athens Swing Scene? Come on, more than just the...
Well, I mean, I dance. That's what I do for my sanity.
Dance. So you guys don't...
It's excellent to have a venue.
Really?
It's great release. It's so nice to go out and have a good time.
So who are you guys seeing tonight?
Huh?
Who are you going to go see tonight?
Bio, Remo, and 6 Shades. Woo!
Introduce yourself.
I'm Andrew Crew. I'm the Spade Suits here in Athens, Georgia.
So who are you going to go see tonight?
6 Shades Blue.
Really? So what do you think of the Athens Swing Scene?
I think it's growing, and I like it. It's in its early stages, and it's kind of exciting to be a part of it.
What is your favorite thing to do in the swing scene here?
Definitely go to shows.
Like who? Name some shows.
Dimple and Bombs, certainly 7 Foot Politics, Rocket 350, always good bands.
Anything else?
And Daddis Productions is great.
What do they do?
The thing is, they're helping to grow the scene. It's incredible.
Really? So what does Daddis Productions do?
Well, they started the whole thing doing the swing nights and stuff, you know? It's just basically just growing the scene.
All right. So, any kind of hints or pointers you want to give this to the people out here?
Just go out, look for the shows, dance, enjoy yourself. That's pretty much it.
All right. Thank you.
Go on. Go.
All right. That's we just need it really quick. That's all. That's cool.
Yeah, I got one.
She told me that she had to leave me and she didn't want to see me, so I tried hard not to cry. And then I begged her hard to tell me why. She said you work, take your drink, but the bills is on your head. My mom ain't never no longer like to do the truth. Don't put it wrong way, girls in the evening, she really won't. you don't know that I love you, and I'm just going to love you, so that's why I wrote this song. So you can see that I'm not telling a lie. You know we're real ones. I'm there, not tomorrow, so we can do it. Yeah, I like to my honey, and I like your mom. Real sexy lady, we're gonna be really close, but that's tonight, so please don't fly away from me. You know I can do it without you, and you know that I don't have to be together for a long time. Don't take a ring and make you mine. Who's your daddy?